Welcome back to Microsoft Minutes. Last time we discussed how to edit files in Teams. Today we're going to discuss how to create a Microsoft form that records real-time data to an Excel 365 spreadsheet. Have you ever created a Microsoft form and noticed that your data is not live on the Excel spreadsheet? The trick is to create the Excel spreadsheet first and then create the form. Here's a helpful tip. Plan the questions you would like to ask on the form ahead of time. All questions you enter into the form will be on the spreadsheet, even those you delete. As participants complete your Microsoft form, the data will be updated on the Excel 365 spreadsheet. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Join us for our next episode of Microsoft Minutes as we explore accessibility through closed captions in PowerPoint 365.